One can use LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads to target buyers for your export-import business with precision based on location, industry, and job role. Keycap 1 LinkedIn, B2B buyer targeting. Why LinkedIn? 1 billion plus professionals, including importers, distributors, and procurement managers. Ideal for high-ticket or bulk export deals. How to use for targeting. Create a LinkedIn company page with your export products, certifications, and contact info. Use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, paid tool, for advanced filters, location right pointing arrow country, region, or city where you want buyers. Industry right pointing arrow e.g., food and beverages, textiles, construction materials. Job title right pointing arrow import manager, procurement officer, purchasing head, CEO. Send personalized connection requests, don't spam, add a note. Post regular content, product images, industry news, case studies, and behind the scenes manufacturing videos. Run LinkedIn ads targeting your filtered audience. Keycap 2 Facebook, wide reach plus community building. Why Facebook? 3 billion monthly users. Global reach plus detailed targeting options. How to use for targeting. Create a Facebook business page. Post product images, videos, and buyer testimonials. Join export-import Facebook groups and actively share your offers. Use Facebook Ads Manager, location right pointing arrow select specific countries or even pin drop cities. Demographics and interests right pointing arrow target people interested in import-export, wholesale business, international trade fairs. Job titles right pointing arrow search for roles like importer, distributor, purchasing manager. Keycap 3 Instagram, visual product showcased. Why Instagram? Perfect for product-heavy industries, fashion, handicrafts, food, decor. Strong appeal through photos and AMP videos. How to use for targeting. Create a business Instagram profile and link it to your Facebook page. Use high-quality product images with export-oriented captions. Post reels showing product use, packaging, loading into containers, etc. Run Instagram ads through Facebook Ads Manager, same targeting options as Facebook. Keycap 4 Google Ads, intent-based buyer capture. Why Google Ads? Targets people already searching for your products. Works worldwide in multiple languages. How to use for targeting. Set up a Google Ads account. Choose search ads for buyer keywords, Indian spice exporter, buy granite slabs from India, basmati rice bulk supplier, target by, location right pointing arrow countries, regions where you want to sell. Language right pointing arrow for better cultural reach. Use display ads to show banners on industry related websites. Bullseye winning targeting tip. Combine platform strengths. LinkedIn right pointing arrow precise B2B decision maker targeting. Facebook and AMP. Instagram right pointing arrow build brand trust plus wide audience. Google Ads right pointing arrow capture buyers actively searching now. We will also guide in our training how to use digital marketing platform for export import.